Look, the gardener cut his stuff off and you can hear the stupid pilot freaking out still. What a little child jackass. You think he'd shut it off. There's no gardeners now, buddy. I wonder if his people haven't told him yet. Yeah, they haven't told him. What an idiot. That's amazing evidence too. I don't know how stupid they are, but he decides to look, the gardener cut it, now look, he's still doing it. It shows that he purposely came out here to screw with me with the sound and have it covered up by the gardener. And the gardener stopped and then it's loud as hell. So that shows that he's not surveilling. That's an amazing video. What a stupid man. Reveals how sick they are. Childish. What an idiot.